Hey, what's up guys? Today I will be teaching you guys the very basics of Visual Bukkit player join event. Like I said, this is the basics. This is also my first video, so if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. Maybe share this with a couple of your friends. Thank you so much, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go in there and type join, and then when you find that, just drag it over, and you want to change the priority so when they join it'll have a higher priority. And so the first thing I want to be doing is I want to be sending them a message. So you right click the string, then you could type in whatever message you want, and I'm just going to type in a random little thing here. I'm doing this as a voiceover because I couldn't talk while recording, so this is just going to be a quick little voiceover. So I'm just typing in whatever I want here, and I know I'm using the old version. I just like this one better. I personally think normal coding is better in general, so I don't really mind to learn the new version, but I know a lot of people like this old version. So you're going to type in event player there, because the player that joins, they're the event player, so when they join it'll send that to them. So now we're going to play a sound at their location. This obviously doesn't have to be what sound I'm using, but it could just be any sound. So right here I'm just going to choose the dragon sound, just one of the dragon sounds. And then here I got a little mixed up because I forgot what to do, but then I was like, oh yeah, I remember. So pretty much what you have to do is location of entity, and then for the entity you want to do event player, because remember, as I said, the person who joins is the event player. Then you could right click both of the number things and type in whatever number. The higher the number, obviously the louder it's going to be, so I just typed in both 7s. And the next thing I will be doing is I will be teleporting the entity. Well, I'm not going to do it on here, but normally I would be teleporting the entity, but I use servers, I don't use worlds, so this is just to show you guys. So I'm going to be typing in, the string would be the name of the world, and then you would change Boolean into world on the drop down menu. So as you can see, I'm about to do it here. Come over to world. There you go. I'm not going to use this because, like I said, I don't have worlds. On the new versions you can do it with servers, but I have not learned the new version, like I've said. So now I'm just gonna, this is just gonna be like giving them whatever you want to give them. So here I also got a little confused, but I ended up figuring it out because I remembered it. I haven't done this in a little while. So you want to give them a new item, and then material, you just want to type in material up there, and it'll type item material, and then you could choose whatever you want from there, and then you give it, and the online player will again be the event player, because like I said, we're always doing the event player. And so I'll just copy and paste it 4 times so I could give them some of the tools. I didn't give them the hoe because I forgot about that, but I just put those 4 together. I did the axe, I did the pickaxe. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, I did the pickaxe next. I did the shovel and the sword, or the sword and the shovel. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is I'm going to be telling you how to set up the plugin. Not set it up, but like do this side thing. This is very easy. Type in the name on whatever you want it to be called. I just named it YouTube 1.0. I just did version 1.0. Every time you update it, you could change that, or you could keep it the same. It doesn't really matter. Author, I did my name. And the description, I kind of typed out what I'm about to be talking about, but for the description, I'm going to make it like, you can make it whatever you want, so when people type in /pl or /plugins, they'll see your plugin, and when they hover over it, this will say whatever you type in here under the description line. Dependencies, that means they have to have that plugin on the server to run it. Soft dependencies means they should have it on to run it. So then you just want to tap build plugin. You're going to wait for the thing to load up. Then when it loads up, you could do open build directory, and then basically you're going to drag the file into your plugins page on whatever server host you're using. Don't do the original one because that's before you made it, so that means it has nothing in it. Do the one without the original because that's where the actual plugin is stored. and then you're gonna want to restart your server, and then I'll get right back with you. Alright, so now my server has started and I'm gonna go to it, and then pretty much as you just heard there, the noise came out and it sent that welcome message that I typed in, "Hi, welcome to my wonderful server." And then if I type in /pl, you could see in the description it says whatever I typed in, and it tells the version and the author. And as you can see, I started off with all these tools, and then that's pretty much all we covered today. And I will be covering more in the next video on Visual Bukkit. Yeah, I started lagging a little bit here, I do not know why. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you wouldn't mind, I would really love if you guys subscribed. This is my first video and it would mean so much to me, so please just make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.